Okay, I've got a box here from Cotopaxi that just arrived, and I'm really excited to open this up and see what's inside. They've asked me to review one of their backpacks, and so usually when they send these out, they do comp them to me, but when they send them out, I never really know what color I'm going to get. They do multiple different colorways when they stitch these together because they use recycled materials. So this is going to be a pretty exciting one. I'm looking forward to this. So let's get started. I'm just going to open this guy up. Take this out. So this is the Moda, and it's a 20-liter backpack in the color they call graphite. Looks pretty gray, kind of a gray-blue color. Turn it this way. This particular backpack says it's easy access with a cinch top enclosure, which is pretty awesome. There's a laptop sleeve in it for tech storage, and its ergonomic shape and fit gives you extra comfort. So this is the Cotopaxi Moda 20-liter backpack. Let's see what we've got here. Nice little pocket up here on top. Put your sunglasses on there. Maybe those Smith sunglasses that we just opened in the last video. And if you haven't seen that video, check it out at the card at the top. This is actually the top of the backpack here. Looks like it's got a little strap. Hey, this is interesting. Yeah. So that just releases. This has got a pretty cool system on here. I'm looking forward to giving this a review on how this works. So we'll go into in-depth detail when we go to the review. There's an internal pocket, it looks like. And look at these colorways. They're just great. They just really pop. Yeah. Looks pretty awesome. On the back of the backpack, it looks like we've got another pocket, zipper pocket this time. I think this is where the laptop sleeve is. Yep. So there's the laptop sleeve. And it looks like there's some pockets here for additional organization and maybe your phone or things like that. This material is really nice. It's kind of a spongy, soft material. I like it a lot. The straps look fairly decent. They're not super thick, but they're not too thin either. They look just about right for this type of backpack. Yeah, nothing too much to write home about on that. But then we've got some side pockets on both sides, it looks like, for a water bottle or what have you. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this backpack. We'll take a look at this, take it out in the field and test it on a hike, and I'll come back to you with a solid review. Thanks for joining me today. Take care. Links are down in the description below.